Hi everyone, we're going to continue with Module 11, Lazy Days Spa. This is the actual visual workshop page found on page 304. So go ahead and open the Lazy Days Spa database access, and you may have to enable the editing. And there are 4 tables, so if you want to take a peek at each of them, the appointment ones just has appointment ID, client ID, appointment date, treatment date. Clients has their client ID, last name, first name, phone number. Treatment providers, where the provider names are, and the treatment plan. And then treatments, what type of treatments, the price, and the provider ID number. So I'm going to close out of these, and some of them you'll notice you've seen the same column titles. That's where we're going to make the relationship connection. So to do that, choose Database Tools, click Relationships, and you want to show all of those tables. Click Show Table, and the first one we want is Clients, so double click Clients. The next one is Appointments, double click Appointments. You can move this out of the way. Next will be Treatments, and then Treatment Providers, and then click Close. They all show everything, so you don't need to extend the size of the cells. So the first thing we want to do is make the connections. And in the first one, it's going to be client ID with client ID. So again, hold with the left mouse, drag to the other one, let go. There's the match, enforce referential integrity, create. You'll see your lines creating the connection. The next one is the connection between treatment ID and treatment ID. Again, hold and drag, let go. Perfect match, check, create, enforce referential integrity. And the last one is treatment provider ID, so hold and drag to treatment provider ID, check, and create. So you made the connections between all of the tables. So from all these tables on the left-hand side, they're showing where the connections are, where they match, and then we can pull information from all 4. So make sure you click the floppy Save, and then Close, and then we'll choose Create, and this is a query design, and then we want to show all of our tables. So again, we'll choose Clients, Appointments, Treatments, and Treatment Providers, and then you can close out of here. And again, we can see the connection that we made. So we are going to choose first name, so double click first name, and that'll be the first column category. Next is last name, and then by appointment date, then treatment name, treatment provider name, and the last one is price. And the only category they want is the appointment date to be sorted in ascending order, so the earliest date to the last. So the only change we're making at the bottom is putting it in ascending order, and then go ahead and click Run, and it should match what's in your book on page 304, and go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.